Yo, hey, I know I said I was gonna do a video on that fire pit with the floor de lis cut into it, but I didn't do the video on building it. I just went ahead and got it done. Trying to save some time, but I was gonna do a video on it and show it, and another fire pit just like it, but without the cutouts, and give everybody the prices on them and everything. So anyway, this is what we got right here. This was the one with the cutouts. You can see them better from the inside, really. And the racks on them will spin out of the way. I wish that sun wasn't right there. The racks will spin out of the way. The rack, it'll come off of there too. There's a cold rack in the bottom. These are 36 inches from the insides. It's about 42 to the outside ring there. And these are 450, built with 3/16 steel. That's good solid steel on there. There's nothing that's gonna burn up anytime soon. Or with the cutouts, it's actually 500. With no cutouts in it, it's 450. This is one with no cutouts in it. And everything's the same on it. It's built with 3/16. It's 3 foot round. These do have air holes on them. Sometimes people want them without air holes, so if you didn't want them, just let me know. I guess because they're putting them on a wood deck or something like that. But anyway, 3/16 steel, 3-inch legs on it, 3-inch square tubing. The rack is removable. We'll spin all the way around. You can put quite a bit of stuff on there. I mean, you think about it, what you're cooking on there don't weigh very much anyway. It's not like you're putting 3 briskets on top of that thing. But yeah, these two are sold. I'm just waiting on pickup on these, but I just wanted to show them right quick. I hadn't done a video on these in a while. I did the 24-inch ones, and they look a little bit different. The leg setup is a little different on them. I know this sun, I don't know how it's gonna look because this sun is messing it up. Some of it's in shadows, some of it ain't, and that is not in shadows. But anyway, that's them, man. I'm fixing to set up, I'm fixing to start cutting the panels out for another one of these, actually. I got the plate over there ready to go. But I just wanted to show them, like I say, and I really wanted to do a video on that thing. I just, time-wise, with these holidays and everything. Yeah, and I wish everybody a Merry Christmas, man. This time of year, I know everybody's rushing to get it over with, except for the kids and everything. But man, everybody, I don't want to hit y'all with religion or nothing, but everybody try to take a moment to remember the real reason Christmas is even here. It's not about presents and stuff. That's what everybody likes to do, get presents and this and that. And that's fun. That's all fine. I mean, it's great. Kids love it. But it really is the birth of Christ. And we were just talking about that in church this morning. This is Sunday. And we was just talking about that. Of course, all churches do on Sunday and all through the year a lot of times. But that's what it's really all about. So everybody try to take a moment to remember that and to think about that for a little while and then go back to having fun or trying to get the holidays over like I'm doing. I dread them, man. I dread them. It's just money spending, going places here and there that you don't have time to do. But anyway, man, that's the fire pits. Like I say, the 36-inch one built with 3/16 steel is 450 with no cutouts. If you want some cutouts in the side, it's 500. I can't do all cutouts on there. I did that by hand. I did a video of cutting them by hand, and but I can do a lot of stuff by hand. So if you had something in mind for it, just let me know and I'll let you know if I can do it or not. But anyway, man, that'll do it on this video. I'm gonna try to get it uploaded today, hopefully, or tomorrow. And if you're new to the channel, man, please like and subscribe. I got some smokers going in here now, and fixing to cut out a fire pit. But if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and y'all come back for the next one, man. We'll see you then.